Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechLape. The Super Affiliate Leads Automation Summit is an exclusive event designed to empower affiliate marketers with cutting-edge strategies and insights to revolutionize their lead generation processes. Hosted by industry experts, this summit aims to bring together affiliate marketers from around the world to explore innovative techniques and automation tools that will amplify their success in the digital landscape. Event highlights. The summit offers an immersive experience with a diverse range of sessions, workshops, and networking opportunities. Participants can expect to gain deep insights into the art of lead generation and conversion optimization, all while leveraging the power of automation. 1. Expert keynote speakers. Renowned affiliate marketing experts will grace the stage to share their wisdom and experiences. From seasoned veterans to rising stars, these speakers will delve into strategies that have helped them achieve remarkable success in the affiliate marketing arena. Attendees will gain valuable takeaways to implement in their own campaigns. 2. Cutting-edge automation tools. Automation is the backbone of modern affiliate marketing, streamlining processes and increasing efficiency. The summit will showcase the latest automation tools and software designed to simplify lead generation, nurture prospects, and boost conversions. Participants can explore demos and case studies to understand how these tools can be seamlessly integrated into their strategies. 3. Advanced lead generation techniques. The heart of successful affiliate marketing lies in generating high-quality leads. Attendees will have the opportunity to learn from experts who have mastered the art of identifying and targeting the right audience. These sessions will cover techniques such as SEO optimization, content marketing, social media strategies, and paid advertising, all aimed at attracting and engaging potential customers. 4. Conversion optimization strategies. Converting leads into paying customers is a skill that requires finesse. Summit participants will discover the science behind effective conversion optimization. From crafting compelling landing pages to implementing persuasive copywriting and leveraging psychological triggers, attendees will gain actionable insights to enhance their conversion rates significantly. 5. Personal branding and authority building. In the competitive world of affiliate marketing, establishing a strong personal brand can make all the difference. Sessions on personal branding and authority building will guide attendees on how to position themselves as credible and trustworthy experts in their chosen niches. This, in turn, can lead to increased trust from potential customers and higher conversion rates. 6. Networking opportunities. The summit provides an ideal platform for affiliate marketers to network with peers, speakers, and potential collaborators. Attendees can engage in meaningful conversations, share their experiences, and form partnerships that can propel their affiliate marketing efforts to new heights. 7. Q&A and interactive workshops. Interactive workshops and Q&A sessions will offer participants the chance to directly engage with experts. This personalized approach allows attendees to seek clarification on specific strategies, troubleshoot challenges, and receive tailored advice based on their unique situations. Conclusion. The Super Affiliate Leads Automation Summit promises to be a game-changing event for affiliate marketers seeking to enhance their lead generation processes. With a focus on automation, advanced techniques, and networking opportunities, attendees can expect to leave the summit armed with actionable insights that will reshape their affiliate marketing strategies and drive exceptional results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to TechLape for more insightful content.